issued a special marine warning for waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 40 nautical miles south of South Tower, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.